everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we are going to configure HTTP compression lab in the F5. Here we are using the same topology as we have used in previous labs. So let's log into the F5 and see how the HTTP compression is done into the F5. So in this lab, we will configure a new HTTP compression profile and we will assign it to the virtual server and then we will observe its behavior. So before that, we will, test our traffic without compression, right? So what we'll do, we'll go and configure a pool, right? We will say it as a compression pool, though we have configured it, but again, we will configure it with new name, compression pool. Okay, no problem. Pool lab. Okay, and then we will select the round robin and we will select 172.16.10.129 and the port is 80. We will add it, right? So here we will only select one server, the server 1, and then we will finish it. So we have configured the DC compression pool lab, right? Pools. Now we will go and create a virtual server. So let's go to create a virtual server, vs_cump compression lab. The 10.10.10.151 we can use. We can port 80, right? And then default pool we can go and select compression pool lab and then finished, right? So here we will see, we will do the verification without compression, right? So let's go and delete the statistics for traffic pools. Okay, it's already disabled. So now what we will do, we will go and type 10.10.10.151 slash press.html. So here, we are sending a traffic to DC lesson server 1 on the compress page. Okay. So now what we will do, we will go and see what is the traffic pattern it has. So we will go to again module statistics, local traffic pools, and see here, observe it. The traffic is, in traffic is 11.3 kilobyte, and the out traffic is, 10, sorry, it's bits, 10.09 kilobits, right? And packet is 14 and 11, right? So what we will do, we will just keep it for a record purpose to show you, right here. And what we'll do, we will go and take a new slide and put it here, right? And we can write it before compression. And then what we can do, after compression we will capture the traffic pattern. So what we will do, we will configure the compression profile now. Okay, so what we will do, we will go to the local traffic, right? and then profiles. Under profiles, services, and let's do some small part, and then profile, services, and then HTTP compression, right? And then I'll increase it. Now create it. So here we will write DCLE lessons COMPRE compression lab profile, right? We will keep the HTTP compression as a parent profile. We will not touch anything, right? And we will simply put it finished. So we have created a DC lessons compression lab profile. Now what we will do, we will go to the virtual server under our virtual server VS compression lab. We'll go it, and then we will attach the compression profile, right? So for that, what we need to do, we have to go to the HTTP profile first, and then we have to select the HTTP profile, and then we will go to the acceleration here, and under acceleration we can see the HTTP compression profile. Here we can select DC lessons compression lab profile, and then we can put update, right? Now what we will do, we will just clear the cache, right? And then let's do one time more. And then 10.10.10.151. Okay. So we did a mistake. What we can do, 10.10.10.151 COMPRE compress.html. So see, we went to the compress page. Now we will again go and we'll again log into the F5, right? Sometimes it's disconnect into the virtual environment. And then we'll go, and again we will select the module statistics, local traffic, and then pools. And then, okay, we did a mistake, right? What we did, we have not resetted the previous traffic, so it will not capture it. So let's do it, and then we will again put it. Now we can see what is the traffic it has. So we'll take a capture of this and then compare it with the previous one. So see here, you can very well see that before HTTP compression, the traffic was 11.3 bits, traffic out was 10.9 bits, but here after using the compression, the traffic is 5.9 kilobits and 3.5 kilobits. So the traffic in and out has been gradually decreased. So thank you for watching HTTP compression lab. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.